Hello and welcome to the section on tuples. In this section, you will be learning what is a tuple, the need to go for a tuple, how to implement a tuple in Python, and how to delete a tuple. So to start with, what is a tuple? A tuple is a collection of immutable objects. Now you might ask me, what is this term called immutable? And collection of objects? A list already does that for me, then why should I go for a tuple? Let's get these doubts clarified with the help of an example. If you can recall, we had taken an example in the section of lists in which we stored the names of students of your class. Let's take a similar example, but this time, instead of storing the name, we will be storing their date of birth. Now you can use a list to store the date of birth of students, but list is something that can be modified. Now date of birth is something that is not meant to be changed. Your date of birth is not going to change no matter what. But list lets you modify the contents in a list. That is the need to go for a tuple. A tuple makes sure that a tuple once defined cannot be modified at any part of your program. So when you want to store values such as date of birth, which you know for sure are not going to change, in such cases you should be using a tuple. Now with this understanding, let's go ahead and implement tuple in Python. Let's get started by opening Python's idle environment. The syntax to define a tuple is to have a tuple name, an assignment operator, and the objects of tuple enclosed in a pair of parentheses. The declaration of a tuple is similar to that of a list. The only difference is that the objects are enclosed within parentheses, whereas in list they were enclosed within square brackets. Now let me create a tuple to store the start dates of World War I and II. Tuple to store start dates of World War I and World War II. Now you do get to know the reason why we are choosing a tuple, don't you? It's because these are historic dates and they are not meant to change, and that's the exact property of a tuple. So let me call my tuple as historic war dates and assign it with the start date of World War I, which is 1914, and the start date of World War II, which is 1939. Now to access the value of a tuple, it is similar to that of a list. You just mention the index of your object. So if I wanted the date of World War I would call my historic war dates tuple with the index 0. Index are to be enclosed within square brackets, and that returns 1914. Now here, what if I try to change the date of World War II? If I try to do that, let's see what happens. My World War II is stored at the index 1, and if I change that to say 2017, what happens? I made a typo right here. It is historic war dates. So what happens now is tuple object does not support item assignment, and this is where tuple differs from a list. A list lets you modify its contents, whereas a tuple does not let you do that. Now let's see how to delete a tuple. Python comes with a function called del, which stands for delete, and within parentheses you mention the name of the tuple which you want to be deleted. So historic war dates is the tuple which I want to delete. Now if I try to print historic war dates, let's see what happens. Name historic war dates is not defined, which means my tuple has been deleted and can no longer be accessed. That's the end of this section. You learned what are tuples, you learned how to create a tuple, and you learned how to access and delete a tuple. The next section is on dictionaries, and I'll see you there. Thank you.